Exfoliate but gently. Use a fragrance-free sugar scrub once a week. Avoid harsh scrubs with large particles. Always exfoliate before shaving or waxing. Follow up with a calming moisturizer. Shave with the grain reduces risk of ingrown hairs. Softens hair regrowth over time. Use a fresh razor every 3 to 5 uses. Don't rush. Slow strokes reduce irritation. Try an aloe vera gel mask. Soothes skin post-shave or wax. Natural anti-inflammatory. Apply for 10 minutes and rinse off. Choose Pure 100% aloe gel. Moisturize immediately after showering. Locks in hydration while pores are open. Use unscented body lotion or oil. Focus on inner thighs and bikini line. Avoid products with alcohol. Avoid tight underwear. Cotton is breathable and prevents sweat. Lace can irritate sensitive skin. Change undies after workouts. Repeat structure with short hooks and 4-point breakdowns. Continue up to point 60. Sample additional points. Switch to warm, not hot showers. Hot water strips natural oils. Leads to dryness and flakiness. Use lukewarm water and limit time. Tat dry. Never rub harshly. Use a pH balance cleanser. Regular soap may disrupt skin barrier. Choose gentle, pH balance, intimate wash. Rinse sterilely, no residue. Don't over cleanse once a day. It's enough. Apply coconut oil after hair removal. Acts as a natural moisturizer. Fights bacteria and soothes skin. Avoid if you're acne prone. Apply thin layer only, no clogging. Don't wax during your period. Skin is extra sensitive due to hormones. Higher risk of inflammation. Wait a few days after. Always inform your esthetician. Ice roll after waxing calms redness and swelling. Tightens pores. Use for 3 to 5 minutes post-wax. Clean the roller before and after use. Stay consistent with your routine. Results take time, but consistency is key. Don't try everything at once. Introduce slowly. Keep a mini skincare journal. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Use witch hazel for post-hair removal. Soothing, natural, anti-inflammatory. Helps tighten pores. Apply with a cotton pad after waxing. Avoid formulas with alcohol. Avoid fragrance body sprays. Down there can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Not meant for intimate skin. If you want freshness, use breathable cotton. Hydrate from the inside out. Drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Helps skin stay plump and soft. Avoid excessive caffeine, it dehydrates. Add cucumber or lemon to water for skin benefits. Never share razors ever. Transfers bacteria and fungi. Increases risk of bumps and infections. Always use your own blade. Dry brush before showering boosts circulation and lymphatic drainage. Removes dead skin gently. Use soft bristles near intimate areas. Follow up with moisturizer. Try calendula cream for soothing, great for post-wax calming. Reduces inflammation and redness. Safe for sensitive skin. Use a pea-sized amount. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.